We begin this bulletin with big breaking news coming in. This is related to the Malegaon blast. The hearing was going on, and today the accused have been acquitted in this matter. In the Malegaon blast case, Sadhvi Pragya, who was also an MP and is a leader of BJP, has now finally said that she has got vindication. Sadhvi Pragya said that कोर्ट में भगवा लहरा दिया है. She said it off camera. She, after giving her statements to the camera and the reporters over there before leaving off camera, she said that आज कोर्ट में भी भगवा लहरा दिया है, which basically means that in the court today there is saffron as well. The saffron flag is held high in the court as well. So there you see Sadhvi Pragya along with Uma Bharti, and after many years of being under trial, Sadhvi Pragya has finally been acquitted, and today she's calling it vindication and saying that court में भी भगवा लहरा दिया है. So this is a case that is right now in the middle of the political spotlight. Why? Because this is related to something, a term that came into Indian political landscape in the 2000s, and that is saffron terror, Hindu terror. And this is when many called it that religion is being brought in and religion color is being given to terrorism. Now, BJP using this case is attacking the Congress government and saying that it is the Congress who said that this is a matter of saffron terror, and they said that there is nothing as saffron terror. Yesterday only we heard Home Minister Amit Shah saying that a Hindu can never be a terrorist. And today, this case, the Malegaon blast case, where a Muslim majority area in that a bomb blast had happened, and this was close to a mosque, and six people had died. And now we are hearing that Sadhvi Pragya, before leaving the premises, said that court में भी भगवा लहरा दिया है. Joining us now is Ritvik Bhalikar. Ritvik, do tell us what Sadhvi Pragya was referring to when she said this.
Absolutely, when she was coming out of the court, she categorically said that the saffron color has been flared today in the court, and in Hindi, she specifically said that कि आज कोर्ट में भगवा लहरा दिया. So these were the emotions and these were the expressions after the verdict, or after 17 years of Malegaon bomb blast, and after coming out, she obviously said that she has to struggle for last 17 hours to hear this verdict and to state that she is not guilty and she is acquitted in the bomb blast case.
All right, thank you, Ritvik, for those details. So there, our reporter telling us that off the camera, this statement was made by Sadhvi Pragya.